Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to learn how to display the output in Python. So for this we require our Python IDLE interpreter. You can use any version of Python. I have with me 3.8.5. Now we'll directly start with the important command, that is your print. In print command, we are supposed to give any message that you want the user to see or you want to display it on the screen. We are going to specify this message in double quotes. If you press enter, automatically the message will be printed. In the second example, we are going to give a is equal to 5, where a is a variable and in this variable we are storing the value called as 5. Suppose I want to print only the value of a. I can use the print statement with only a as a character. Over here, the value of a will be printed, that is called as 5. Now let us understand how to use tab with the help of print statement. So for this, we will use the print statement, give a small message called as hello. After this, you can give a tab. For tab, there is an option called as \t. Write down the next word, suppose it is hello world, close it with the double quotes and then your bracket. Press enter. You will see that the two words are separated by a tab. Now, let's see how a new line character can be inserted. For this, you have an option called as \n, and with this, the word is going to come on the next line. So \n is used for new line character in the print statement. Now, lastly, we are going to understand how to eliminate the meaning of the special characters. For this, we have double \ option which you can use. Over here, \n will not be considered as a special character in Python, but it is going to eliminate the special meaning by appending it with the \. So if I click enter, you will see that the \n is printed. Let's try once again if it is possible with your tab. Yes, it is also possible with the tab. If you give double \t, it is going to print you \t as the output in Python. Suppose I want to print both the text value as well as the actual value, that is hello and comma a. Now what is this particular print statement going to do? This hello that is written in double quotes will be as it is printed. We are having a separator called as comma. After that, we are having a variable. The value in the variable is given as a. If you want to use the constant string as well as a variable in the print statement, it should be separated by a comma. Let's try this out. You will find that hello string will be as it is printed and the value of variable a will be printed, that is called as 5. This is how the print statement works in Python. If you like my video, please click on like, comment and subscribe. Thank you. Have a nice day.